I really look forward to shows like this. It has been a while since my last international show with GMA. So excited ako to go to those countries. Medyo marami nga sila at medyo sunod-sunod sila. Kung makikita niyo po, 9, 10, 11. Tinalon-talon po yung United States to Canada. But exciting kasi at least, you know, ang objective naman talaga natin whenever we do shows like this is to really give joy and bring the Philippines, sabi nga ni Julian, bring the Philippines to our global Pinoys abroad. So excited po.
And do you feel like you're much closer sa mga OFW natin na kababayan? Because yun nga, you've played before.
Yeah.
Sa...
Siyempre, definitely. I think we really should consider our OFW kababayans abroad heroes. Kasi the sacrifices that they have made for them to be in that country, alayos na pamilya, to earn a living, to sustain their family here in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang meaningful sa akin that I was able to portray a role ng isang OFW because I can relate more to them. So I can be more of service to them in terms of entertainment.
And now din aside from the shows ba, you're tutulugin na rin yung shooting mo for Hello Love Again?
Yes,
What's the plan?
Yes po, parang mauna po akong umalis prior to these dates. So medyo matagal po kami doon and then clean up na lang yung schedule for me to be able to accommodate those dates.
And paano mo napapagsabay-sabay lahat yan? Di ba? May shows, may movie, may serie, di ba?
Nagugulat din po ako. Pero I think I've grown in the industry by doing these things that I love. I've learned to love. So wala na yung pagod. It's part of it. But physically, tulog mo lang yan. I'm good na. And at the end of the day, it's fulfilling din naman. It's how you see things. It's not what you do. It's how you see it. Ano bang purpose nun? So nandun ako purpose.
And basta lang, singin ko na lang, sa upcoming gala, are you looking forward? May date ka ba? Sino ka? Or magsaka lang lalakad?
I'll keep you posted po. Don't worry.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Alan. Ayan, maraming things with Alden's life na we should be posting.